part of what's going on here are people are finally waking up to the fact that they should stop giving out private information, stop giving out home addresses, and try to be as confidential with their personal information as possible. It's getting harder and harder to do. And as I've always said in the past, asset protection is always something that's going to be harder to do next year than it is this year. So it's best to get on the wagon, be more private, make your family be more private. I know that sounds unusual, but we actually talk to each other. And it was important for me to get the point across to my daughters, especially when they were young, and talk to their friends a lot, that some family information is confidential. And you don't go telling your friends that your parents just bought a 15-unit apartment building down the street, because it's going to do nothing but cause you trouble to get that information out in the public. It doesn't do much good if you're private and confidential if your family is not also. And I'm not talking about making them all paranoid. I'm just talking about common sense.